tens of thousands of people in 4 cities in central Japan have been forced to evacuate due to heavy rainfall. The severe rains have triggered floods, threatening the local population. The Japan Meteorological Agency has issued the highest level of emergency warnings. In Wajima, approximately 18,000 people have been evacuated, while an additional 12,000 in Suzu have been ordered to leave their homes. In the Niita and Yamagata regions, a total of 16,000 people have been urged to move to safety.
やばっ、どうする？家から出れんよ。やばいって。
The rains have caused rivers to overflow, submerging towns and villages. Streets and roads in Wajima, in particular, are underwater, highlighting the extent of the disaster. Authorities have confirmed that 3 rivers in the Ishikawa region have overflowed, leading to chaos in surrounding villages. Rescue teams are working tirelessly to save lives and prevent further destruction. As evacuation orders expand, government officials are working around the clock to set up shelters and coordinate relief efforts. The flood risk persists, and emergency services emphasize the need for public caution. Although the rains show no signs of stopping, rescue teams are striving to contain the disaster before it worsens. The overflowing rivers and landslides have severely impacted central Japan. In Wajima, streets are completely submerged, while the overflowing rivers in Ishikawa pose a serious threat to the local population. The residents of the region are once again facing a significant challenge in the face of nature's power. In the coming days, the full extent of the damage will become clearer. However, the people living in this region face a long journey ahead as they cope with the challenges brought by the flooding. Such disasters are becoming more frequent, and Japan faces difficult decisions about how to adapt to nature's increasing wrath. Please don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with news like this.